So let me show you a comparison between the 40 amp and the 28 amp ESCs. You can see this is how it comes in the box right here, and we've got a really nice capacitor, a 1000 35 volt 1000 microfarad capacitor, and then we've got on a 20 millimeter stack, we've got a 4-in-1 40 amp, and you can see the difference between that and the 28 amp. The solder pads, there's more solder pads here. You can see, I'm comparing like that, and then looks a little more robust, little stronger solder pads, but this is a 40 amp ESC on a 20 millimeter stack, so it's like magic. I don't even know how they do this. So here are the specs here. And then here are pin map. So on just under 9 grams, you can use this on a 250 millimeter frame, which I'm going to do next. It's got an MPU 6000, 32-bit CPU, 16 megabytes of flash, can handle 4S. Pretty incredible. Let's see what else they've got on this. And it's just going to fit together like this. Just like that, with some through bolts and some spacers. But really awesome stack, and it's going to replace all my flight controllers from now on. We've got this 40 amp, which is premium quality, and we've got plenty of UART, so we can connect any peripherals you want. I'd say this is probably the best value on the market, and for $80 you also get a VTX with it, and it goes up to 350 milliamps, which is plenty fine. It's got that. Here's a VTX. So this is honestly the best deal. Full stack VTX F4, everything right there, and you can't beat it. Thanks for watching.